We've got a watchdog follow-up on a Trumbull County shed builder that's been under legal fire for more than a year. Customers say they are still paying thousands of dollars and getting nothing in return, at least not in the timeline they were promised. Despite a pending lawsuit from the Attorney General's office, Timber Creek Structures is still taking new orders, and customers are still waiting. Timber Creek Structures was sued by the Ohio Attorney General last year after more than 200 customers complained they ordered new sheds but didn't get what they paid for. Instead of slowing down, complaints have almost tripled. The Attorney General's website now shows 594 complaints linked to Timber Creek Structures and its owner, Timothy Dotson. Masury resident Kenneth Broderick says he's one of them.
Picked out color, the dynamics of the shed, agreed on everything, paid cash with a check, was told 3 to 8 weeks later, and 8 weeks came and I called and I was told that you'll get your shed when you get it.
Broderick says he placed his order September 6th and was promised he'd have his shed by now. Instead, he says messages and calls have mostly gone unanswered.
Still haven't heard anything. Here we're at December 9th. I have no shed yet. I've ripped down the entire fence, poured rock to have it dropped for animals for my business. Still no shed.
The state accuses the company in a pending lawsuit of deceptive business practices that violate Ohio's Consumer Sales Practices Act, giving inaccurate delivery dates and refusing timely refunds. Complaints go back years.
Make it right with the consumers instead of taking people's money and working off of that and not giving them the products.
Broderick says he too has filed a complaint with the Attorney General.
I've touched base with them weekly. I've emailed them. I've filed a complaint with the Better Business Bureau. The worst part is being out all that money and falling behind in business assets and being able to do things and still have no shed. We called Timber Creek owner Tim Dotson today before we sat down with Broderick for an interview. During the course of that interview, he received a phone call from Timber Creek informing him that his shed will be delivered next week. Dotson says the backlog is due to hiccups like staffing shortages, and records do show that complaints resolved over time. He says Timber Creek is now only accepting payment upon delivery to prevent future trouble.